Hi guys, it's your girl Mabel. Hi guys. The view right here is not bad. You can even see the express. You can see the express from here, and then you can see the city a little bit. Welcome back, beautiful people. How have you been enjoying all the real estate videos that I have been bringing to you guys? Well, thanks for the love. So this house I'm taking you guys to is located at Euphrates Street, Maitama, Abuja, and it's by far one of the cleanest houses I've been to. And when I say cleanest, I'm trying to say that if you watch such videos, you understand that most Nigerian landlords do not clean the apartments when they are empty. They do not like present it well. They do not make it marketable. But this particular one, I was so impressed. It's so clean. This is the compound, and you know, the houses are actually all occupied apart from the second one. The second one is not occupied yet. It's number 2. You know, so I'm taking you guys into this house. It's beautiful. When you get in, the first thing you're going to see by your left is the visitor's washroom. And then from there, you find your way to the living room. Guys, let me just tell you, the kitchen of this house is beautiful. So I don't want to be talking when we get to the kitchen, so I might just shut up and let you guys enjoy the view of this apartment. I find it so beautiful. So let's head straight into the kitchen. You guys, most of these houses I take you guys to, I hardly know the prices until I get there. So at this point, I was wondering, okay, this house is okay. It's not so fantastic, but it's a beautiful house, clean. I was just wondering, what could the price be? We asked the security guard and he said he doesn't know. Yeah, this is a small living space upstairs with a balcony, nothing serious at all. So I was like, how much could this house be? I was really wondering, and yeah, when I found out the price, I was like, whoa. So guys, what do you think of the price? I'd like to know. I always want to know if you guys think it's okay, if it's reasonable to use such amount of money to rent a house every year. Like, I want to know what you think, honestly. Hi guys, it's your girl Mabel. Guys, what do you think about this apartment? I think it's clean, because usually in Nigeria, landlords don't even care about how clean the apartment looks when they want to get a new tenant. It just looks really scattered, but they tried, right? They tried, if you ask me. Sorry, the lighting is not just perfect, sorry. Okay. Okay. I'm not gonna bore you this time. I won't bore you. Alright, up we go. Up, up, up we go. No, this is not bad. So there's a balcony here and there as well, actually. Masters. Okay, so the view right here is not bad. You can even see the express. You can see the express from here, and then you can see the city a little bit. Okay.
Cute. Wow. Wow, this is not bad. We're yet to find out the price to know if it's worth it or not. Hello!
Okay, what can we see here? We can see the compound. The express over there. Still part of the compound. All right. Not much.
$10 million. Okay, $9 million. What about the service charge? Okay. And the service includes the ACs, the generator. I can see a pool here. Security, right? Okay. I'll get back to you shortly. Yeah, thank you very much.
Okay, so from here we can get to the boys' quarters at the back for the apartment. Okay. Is that how much?
9.
How about service charge?
Everything is inside.
Wait, sorry, how many rooms again inside? 4. Then this is the boys' quarter 5. We're going on with you. So this is the back of the house, and every building has like this boys' quarter. So we're going to the BQ of the empty house. So this is what the whole back looks like. So let's see if it's worth it, you guys. I just found out that the house goes for 9 million naira a year. Oh Lord, do you think it's worth it? Okay, and from the kitchen back door, where is the kitchen back door? This is the kitchen back door. Okay. Probably for your driver or your help, because there's no kitchen, so it has to be for your staff. Really? Sorry, Frank, how much is the service charge again?
Everything is included.
Okay, the 9 million is included, but they tell you how much it is separately.
1 million.
Service charge is 1 million, and that means the actual rent is 8 million. There's Jen. Huh?
That's store.
Wait, is there Jen? Okay. Is it 24 hours? Standby 24 hours
Only you should buy your own unit
for your lights.
Yes.
But the Gen is 24 hours. Okay. Thank you.